Okay, fifth question. We have to get an idea to square and add. 3 sin p plus 4 cos q whole square. Please mute yourself. 4 sin q plus 3 cos p whole square is equal to 6 square plus 1 square. Okay, when I expand this, I'll get 9 sin square p plus 16 cos square q. This into this is 24 sin p cos q. When I expand this, 16 sin square q, 9 cos square p plus 24 sin q cos p is equal to 37. This plus this, when I add, I'll get 9. And this plus this, when I add, I'll get 16. 24 common, sin p cos q plus sin q cos p is equal to 37. This is 25, 100 at 12 by 2, 24 will come. Anyway, 24 times sin of p plus q is equal to 37 minus 25, 12. Sin p plus q is 12 by 24, which is 1 by 2. So you can take p plus q as 30 degrees. At that time, r will be 150, which is 5 pi by 6. Or you can take p plus q as 150, then r will be 30 degrees, which is pi by 6. Among them, which is right, and why two answers are coming? We have to see.
Sir, two answers are coming because
Sir, they're 150.
the two answers are coming because in second quadrant also sign is positive. So in second quadrant,
Yeah.
if you look at it,
Yeah, correct. If you take sign of something means if the positive is first and second. Anyway, apart from that, in these 2 years, one common thing is whenever you are squaring and adding it, we are not doing anything wrong, but there is a good chance that we can get additional solutions. You know why? In the question they gave this value is 6 and this value is 1, now.
Yes, sir.
What if they gave this is 6 and this is minus 1? My solution is same, right?
Yes, sir.
And if this is minus 6, this is plus 1 also same.
Yes, sir.
And this is minus 6 and this is minus 1 also same. So when you square and add, this is includes, this is not solution of one question. This includes solutions of 4 questions. Plus 6 plus 1, plus 6 minus 1, minus 6 plus 1. And what only that? What if this is 1 and this is 6? It will include that also, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means after squaring and adding, we are including 8 question solutions in one expression. Okay, the 2 expressions given, they can be 6, 1, 1, 6, 6 minus 1, whatever it is. Basically plus or minus 6, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 6. Total 8 cases, plus, 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 minus, minus, plus, minus, minus. So we are including all that. We don't know which one is solution of which one after getting this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this question is nice. This is a past year mains question.
Sir, we can take 150 and 30 both, sir.
No, only one of them is correct. Purposely we gave both options so that you have to think which one is correct.
sir, we should substitute the values of 30 and 150 in the given equation, or like that.
But what will you substitute? We don't know p and q. We only know p plus q together only.
Okay.
Okay, at least you are clear how to get sin p plus q. Of course, somebody can write 180 minus r, you'll get sin r, and sin r is 1 by 2 means again r is 30 or 150. 2 cases will come. Okay, so far everybody clear?
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, those are completed. Think about how to decide which one.
Sure.
Yeah, just one minute.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, please tell. Okay, can I erase this whole thing?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, if R is equal to 5 pi by 6 means 150
One.
degrees,
Hmm.
then P is less than pi by 6, no, sir.
Yes.
Then sin P is less than 1 by 2. And so 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q is less than 1 by 2 plus 4. Thus R is equal to pi by 6, sir.
Why 1 by 2 plus 4? Okay, let us say anyway. P plus Q is 30 degrees. Let us take that. Because in a triangle, all angles are positive. So this tells you that P is between 0 degrees to 30 degrees and Q is also between 0 degrees to 30 degrees. Or let me write. I can say 0 less than P less than 30 degrees. 0 less than Q less than 30 degrees. Yeah. P is between 0 to 30, Q is between 0 to 30. Then let us see 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q will be between what and what? That's what you're talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when P is between 0 degrees to 30 degrees, sin P will be between what to what?
0 and 1 by 2.
0 and 1.
0 and 1 by 2, sir.
When Q is between 0 to 30, cos Q will be between what and what?
1
Sir,
and
1 and
1
2
and
and
2 by 2, sir.
This is 1 and this is 1 by 2. So this maximum value is 1 by 2. This maximum value is 1. Okay. So I can say it is less than 3 times 1 by 2 plus 4 times 1. I can also say more than 3 times 0 and 4 times root 3 by 2 because cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Is it okay?
Yes.
I told this minimum is 0, this minimum root 3 by 2, this maximum is 1 by 2 in this interval, this maximum is 1 in this interval because cos 0 degrees is 1. Okay. This is how much? 4 plus 1.5, 5.5 only. But they gave equal to 6. So we cannot take this, right?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's good, Bharat. When P plus Q is between 0 to 30, this cannot be reached 6 because maximum will be 5.5 only. In fact, the lower side you don't have to write also. Okay.
Yes.
So we can write 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q, okay, is less than 5.5. So 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q equal to 6 is not possible for this case.
It is not satisfying the equation that is given.
Okay, so P plus Q is not 30, means the only option that is left is P plus Q should be 150 degrees. And P plus Q is 150 means angle R is 30 degrees, that is 5 by 6. Yeah. So one idea is this question is squaring and adding should give you sin A cos B plus cos A sin B as sin A plus B. That is one idea you should get. Second thing is after getting the two answers, deciding which one based on this. That's also important. Everybody clear about this?
Yes.
So the answer is 30 degrees, right?
R is 30 degrees. Yes. Yeah. P plus Q is 150. R is 30, which is 5 by 6. So option D, Delhi.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir. Here.
Option
Okay,
is given as
understood.
5 by 6, sir.
Sir, seventh one.
What happened?
Answer is given as 5 by 6.
That is capital R value 5 by 6 only. Delhi. Correct, no?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, those who completed can try 7th question.
Again. Sir, then for this the answer is P is equal to 1, R is equal to 30 degrees, sir.
Yes, R equal to 30 degrees. 5 by 6 is the final answer. Okay.
Yes.
Those who completed try 7, next 9. Okay, in 7th question, what is the main thing is all the options are in terms of angle B, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to just remove A, that's all. So use tan A minus B formula in the place of tan A, substitute what is given, then answer will come automatically in terms of B. We don't have to struggle to get the answer automatically. So 2 tan A minus B we have to find, and they gave tan A equal to 2 tan B plus cot B. Tan A equal to so 2 tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. That is the formula. Wherever tan A is just substitute this. 2 tan B plus cot B minus tan B. 1 plus here also in the place of tan A. 2 tan B plus cot B into tan B. This one tan will cancel. The numerator will be left with tan B plus cot B. And here this into this is 2 tan square B. And this into this is 1. Okay, 2 plus 2 tan square B. You can write sin by cos also, not a problem. Or you can write 1 by tan B and cancel. That is good. 2 into this is tan B. This is 1 by tan B. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 tan square B. So I take LCM. 2 into tan square B plus 1 by tan B. 2 common will get 1 plus tan square B. This 2 will cancel. 1 plus tan square B will cancel. You will be left with the 1 by tan B, which is cot B. So looking at the options, we don't want A. So wherever tan A is there, substitute the given one. This part and this part. That's what we substituted here and here. And then we simplified that. So
Sir, in even questions, some doubts there, sir. You will explain after, sir. Those.
Yes, definitely.
Notice.
Okay. In ninth question, we can start from the question, but without that, between 5x, 3x,
Tan
and 2x.
5x equals to tan 2x plus 3x. By that formula, we can find.
Yes, correct. So sometimes we can start with the given data, LHS part, or the question gives you an idea with what to start. Hope everybody completed the seventh question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ninth question, you simply write 5x is equal to 3x plus 2x. Apply. You can even also write 5x minus 3x minus 2x equal to 0 and apply tan. Here means you have to use tan a plus b plus c formula. Here apply tan and do cross multiplication. Both are same. If I take this, tan 5x is tan 3x plus 2x, which is tan 3x plus tan 2x, tan a plus b formula, by 1 minus tan 3x into tan 2x, which is tan 5x. If I do cross multiplication, I will get tan 5x minus tan 5x into tan 3x into tan 2x is equal to tan 3x plus tan 2x. These two bring this side, this to the other side, you will get the question and answer. Tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x, and that side you get tan 5x into tan 3x into tan 2x. Otherwise, you can take this and apply tan a plus b plus c formula we use. Whenever minus is there, you can take angle as negative. Okay. When you're trying later on 10th question on your own, between 203 degrees and 22 degrees, there is a relation. What is that? What is the relation between 203 and 22?
180 plus 23 equals to 203.
Sir, 203 plus 22 is equal to 225 degrees.
Sir, that
Yeah.
one you have tan 225 degrees equal tan,
Tan 25 degrees, sir.
222.
Yes.
That A plus B formula. Tan A plus B formula.
Yes. 203 plus 22 is 225, which is 180 plus 45. Tan 180 plus theta is tan theta, so you get tan 45 1. So directly take 203 plus 22 equal to 225, apply tan on both sides, you will get the question answer. You don't have to start with the question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. 11, this is a question where I was talking about like 80 and 10. What the connection is? 80 plus 10 is 90 and 80 minus 10 is 70. I gave an example in
Sir, can I say how to explain?
What?
Can I say, sir, that one answer?
Yeah, I'll write the solution. 10th one. Answer will be 2.
Yes, sir.
Or otherwise, tan 70 you can write tan 80 minus 10 that light and tan A minus
Yeah.
B formula. Tan.
Yes, you are right. That one.
So we can write tan.
So also
as
tan 90 minus 10, we
Yes,
can
sir.
write it as cot 10, no sir?
Yeah. That's how we'll get answers.
Okay.
So then we can write cot 10 as cos 10 by sin 10 minus sin 10 by cos 10 by tan of 90 minus 20.
That much not required. Tan 70, you write 80 minus 10. In that expand, denominator will become 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody completed 9th one?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Please mute yourself after you finish talking.
Sir, denominator we should take it as 80 minus 10, sir.
Yeah, 70 as
Okay.
80 minus 10.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
So actually, we asked that cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5, sir. And sin
Another
of
question.
alpha.
Wait,
Yes,
wait.
sir.
Another question. We'll come back little later. Okay.
Sir, answer will come 2, sir.
Hmm.
The numerator and after we
Sir,
expand,
that is done.
numerator and denominator gets cancelled. After
This tan 80 down only. I'm going to write 90 minus 10 into tan 10. That is tan 80 minus tan 10 degree by 1 plus this is cot 10. This is tan 10 degrees. They'll cancel each other. So I'll get tan 80 minus tan 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you cancel, doesn't mean nothing is left. 1 will be left. Bring this 2 here, this down. We will get tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees by tan 70 degrees equal to 2. Says Kaushik, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
I want you to not solve any question. Based on the same concept, answer should come 2. Instead of 80 and 10, can you tell me some other angle and make a question for me? After you give the question, if somebody is writing solution, they should be able to write based on this.
Sir, can I say?
I'll ask you. Who is this? Darshita or Seshidhar? Who is asking?
Shashidhar, sir.
Okay, tell Seshidhar.
Sir, tan 180
tan
plus
1
7.
by tan 60.
Who is speaking? Seshidhar or the
Kaushik.
Kaushik? Kaushik, tell.
Sir, tan 180 plus 7.
Tan 180 I should write.
180 plus 70.
180 plus 70. Tan 180 plus tan 70 I should write, you are saying?
No, sir. The angle is.
Okay, I should write tan of 250 degrees you want me to write.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tan 250 degrees, okay. Okay, think about it. Shashidhar, you tell first.
Tan 80 minus tan 20 by tan 60, sir.
Are you sure 80 degrees?
Tan 70 minus tan 20.
Tan 70 minus tan 20 by tan 50, sir.
Tan 70 minus tan 20 by tan 50 is 2. Okay, Tatvika, you tell something different.
So tan 60 minus tan 30 by tan 30.
Okay, who is that? Noise. Tan 60 minus tan 50. Just a minute. Sai Venkat, mute yourself. Yeah, Tatvika. 60 and 30 are known angles. Tell me something different.
Tan 50 minus tan 40 by tan 10. Sir.
Tan 50 minus tan 40 by tan 10. Also answer is 2. Okay. Yes, now Kaushik, you want to tell anything different?
Sir, tan 40 minus tan 50 by 10.
By tan minus 10 you want to say?
Yes, sir.
That is negative of this question. It's okay. Something different.
Sir, tan 20 minus tan 70 by minus tan.
You are telling negative of this, something else.
So,
That's all. I asked you first. Okay.
Sir, tan 65 minus tan 25 by tan 50.
Okay, tan 65 minus tan 25 by tan
40.
Tan 40. Answer is 2. All right. Okay, I think those are able to tell the question, they got the point. If others, if they got the idea, fine. If you are wondering how we are able to tell fatafat, it is very simple. You take any angle here, not a problem, but their sum should be 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
And here what they are giving is difference of these.
Difference
Right?
of this. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I can even write tan 63 minus tan, what should I write here?
Sir.
27, sir.
27, sir.
27.
By
30.
36, sir.
36.
36. That is also 2. Like that you can make up. Somebody can take 82 degrees here, 8 degrees here, 82 minus 8 here. Okay. Anyway, what happened? That one. Let's write this. Yeah, this is a solution. Okay, so it is not just solving the question. If you understand the crux of it, when you later on look at the question, you feel it is nothing. The point in asking similar questions is at least stays with you that it's, what is the trick behind this basically. Okay. Okay. 13th question.
So 13th question option D, sir.
Yeah. Mainly, some in school level you might have learned something in algebraic, relations. Here also in bridge course we taught something. Of course, whether you attended bridge course or not, it's okay. A cube plus b cube, there are two formulas. You can write a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, or a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b.
A plus b.
Yeah, if you use that, you'll get this. Okay. 11. Anybody still need to copy from the board?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. Through these questions, we are not learning any new formula, but that can be asked slightly this way, slightly that way, and all. We should be ready for that. Okay. So 13th question. Tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta equal to a, and they wanted a cube plus b cube. Okay. Tan cube pi by 4 plus theta plus tan cube pi by 4 minus theta.
It can be in the form of a cube plus b cube, a plus b into the formula.
Yeah. A cube plus b cube, I'm going to write a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So based on this formula, this can be written as tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta whole cube minus 3 into their product tan pi by 4 plus theta.
So the product will be 1, sir.
Yeah, into tan pi by 4 minus theta into their product, their sum, sorry, 3ab into a plus b. I should write just minus 3 tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta into tan of pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta. This product is 1. Okay, why we will discuss that. This is a and this is a. So you will get a cube minus 3a.
Sir, why did you write 1, sir?
Sir, sir, because tan of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta, no, sir.
Yeah.
And tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So
yes,
you get cancel, you get 1.
Yeah. In fact, in terms of cos and sin, we don't use so much, even though I stated. At least you should know this is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is 1
minus
minus.
tan theta into 1 minus tan theta.
So this and this will cancel, will get equal to 1. There is another way that we can say 1. What is sum of these two angles? This inner angle and this inner angle. What is the sum?
90 degrees.
So if I take tan alpha into tan beta and one of them is 90 minus alpha, will the product will be 1?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can
Yes,
also
sir.
write or tan pi by 4 plus theta. This pi by 4 minus theta can be written as 90 minus pi by 4 plus theta.
Yes, sir.
Tan
Cot
90 minus
pi by 4
yeah.
plus
Yeah. So tan pi by 4 plus theta into cot pi by 4 plus theta. That will be 1. Okay. So either this way or this way the product is 1. Is it okay, Kasi Vishnath?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Sir, 15th one answer pi by 4. Sir. A plus B is equal to pi by 4.
Yeah, directly find tan A plus B will get it. Okay, those are completed 13, 15 and 17 are there on the screen.
Sir,
Just a minute.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, are you pinning that what is there on board, sir?
What is there on the board? I kept spotlight. You want me to remove that spotlight?
Yes, sir. Because
Okay.
we can adjust what we want when
Okay.
we want to write.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You can do now. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 13th one I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time? No. Okay. Okay, 15th question. They gave tan A and tan B and they want A plus B. You can simplify tan A plus B. Tan A is n by n plus 1. Tan B is 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is n by n plus 1. This is 1 by 2n plus 1 by 1 minus n by n plus 1 into 1 by 2n plus 1. Just substitute n will get cancelled. The question is gave such as that it will get cancelled. If we do directly cross multiplication, 2n square plus n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Denominator this into this will come here. That is 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 minus n whole by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This and this will get cancelled. This is 2n square plus 2n plus 1. This is also 2n square plus 2n plus 1, which is equal to 1. Tan A plus B 1 means A plus B can be 45 to 25 and all, but they're acute angles. So it is only 45 degrees 5 by 4. Okay, this is simple. Just anybody can easily get an idea. Okay, similarly in 17th question, you can notice in the options there is no beta at all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just use tan alpha minus beta formula, tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. In the place of tan beta, substitute what is given. You just simplify it, it has to come. Okay, I'm going to erase 15. Anybody needs more time?
No, sir.
Okay.
1 minute.
Please mute yourself.
So done, sir. Okay, 17 they gave tan beta is equal to n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. And tan alpha minus beta. I can write tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Tan alpha, in the place of tan beta, I can write this. N tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha into n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n tan alpha.
So tan square alpha, sir.
Sir, it is tan square alpha.
Okay. If I bring this here, I'll get tan alpha plus 1 minus n into tan cube alpha minus n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha whole by, here also if I bring this one here, 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha plus this into this is n tan square alpha whole by 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha. This denominator is the same, we can cancel. Here I can combine these two. I'll get 1 minus n tan alpha plus 1 minus n tan cube alpha. Here, if I split it, minus n tan square alpha plus n tan square alpha will cancel. 1 plus tan square alpha minus n tan square alpha plus n tan square alpha will get cancelled. Numerator, I'll get 1 minus n tan alpha common. I will get 1 plus tan square alpha down also. 1 plus tan square alpha, both are same, I can cancel. So 1 minus n tan alpha. If I take minus common, n minus 1 into tan alpha. Just to eliminate beta, that's all.
Sir, there
Yes,
1
please.
minus tan cube alpha out 1 plus tan square alpha.
Oh, are you asking from here to here?
Yes, sir.
I took 1 minus n common. I
Okay,
took tan alpha also common. I'll be left with 1 here, and out of tan cube, tan square is there. Okay?
Oh, you take 1 minus n into tan alpha common, sir?
Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm going to erase this. Anybody needs more time?
No, sir.
No, sir. Complete.
Okay. Okay, 19th question. It is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha plus beta. Okay, this 19th one, you can do slightly different ways, but mainly I want to take from these two cos alpha plus beta common. Sin square alpha, cos alpha plus beta common. So we'll get cos alpha plus beta 2 sin alpha sin beta. I can tell how this is cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha plus beta. We have a formula cos alpha plus beta minus cos alpha minus beta, but still
Yes,
I'll
sir.
not use it.
Cos alpha and cos beta minus sin alpha and sin beta. That formula.
Yeah. Cos alpha plus beta, let me expand. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. These two together becomes plus. So sin square alpha cos alpha plus beta. This and this put together cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. This is sin square alpha cos alpha plus beta cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B. So I'm going to write cos alpha minus beta. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B, we have a formula.
Yes, sir.
Cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. Like that, I can write cos square alpha minus sin square beta or cos square beta minus sin square alpha. Both are their formulas. Either way, same thing. Here, this and this will cancel. Answer is cos square beta. Okay, trigonometry, if you get idea, it's very easy, looks easy. Otherwise, it looks like where to start. Okay. With the practice only, it will come. There's no other way. So this and this, I can take cos alpha plus beta common, extra cos alpha plus beta, 2 sin alpha sin beta, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This and this together. Now cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B. From here to here, cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. This and this are same. We got cos square beta.
Sir, can you explain how did you get cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha?
So that is formula, sir. Last step.
Just a minute. See, from here to here, I use this formula. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B.
Last step, sir.
Yeah, I'll explain just because somebody has asked me this also. Okay. See, from here to here, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. From here to here, I added this and this. Okay. From here to here, it is a formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B. We derived two formulas, sin A plus B into sin A minus B, sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. We also derived this cos A plus B into the product cos A minus B. This is a formula, cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square A. That formula I used from here to here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anybody still any doubt? Okay. In IP textbook also, and even in mains, the many questions will be using something called componendo and dividendo in quite a few questions. After this over, I'll write something about it.
So like means alternando, component, dividendo, like that.
Yes, yes.
Sir, can you explain what
Sir,
is
it is like adding the numerator and denominator,
Yes.
subtracting, no, sir.
Yeah, yeah. First two lines, everybody copied. I can erase here.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So that will happen if and only if A by B is equal to C by D, no, sir.
Yes, yes, correct. If A by B equal to C by D, I can add a 1 on both sides.
A plus B by.
No, I'm not writing in detail. This is, if I add 1, I'll get A plus B by A minus B, sorry, by B equal to by B. If I subtract 1, that will be A by B minus 1 equal to C by D minus 1. That is A minus D by B equal to C minus D by D. If I divide these two,
We get componendo and dividendo.
Yeah, a plus b by b by a minus d by b equal to c plus d by d by c minus d by d. Then here b you can cancel, d you can cancel. You will get a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. From this telling, this is called componendo, and from this telling, this may be called dividendo. But neither this nor this we use. We only use this. Okay, the final statement we call componendo and dividendo.
Sir,
Yes, please.
in trigonometry, will we use alternando and invertendo?
No, no, that won't do. If a by b equal to c by d, then a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. That's all. The final statement of componendo and dividendo is when two fractions are equal. Okay. Say for the first fraction, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator is equal to, for the second fraction also, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. This simple algebraic one, the proof is also given. Okay, you can write. I would have told in theory, it's okay. Okay, we'll be using at least in future chapters or even the present chapter quite a few places. This, whenever two ratios are equal, we can arrange like this: numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator of the LHS equal to numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator of RHS. Okay, but nobody should write a by b is equal to a plus b by a minus b. It is not that the fraction is equal to numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. No, that is not right. If two fractions are equal, for this componendo dividendo should be equal to for this componendo dividendo.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, can you give one example how we will use this in trigonometry?
Yeah. Well, the next question that is going to come, I'm going to use it anyway. In 21, I'll use it, and later on in IP also quite a few questions, and even later on somewhere here also will be used.
So give us few minutes, sir. Copy.
Copied component dividendo?
No, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Today after this class, I'm going to put an assignment. Componendo dividendo. Sorry, what is this? Compound angles. Yesterday and day for yesterday's notes you have to submit. Not today's, last 2 days. Is it okay?
Sir, once can you again repeat it, sir?
Yesterday and day for yesterday's class notes you have to submit.
Okay,
Sir, even numbers. So the mains even numbers.
Mains even numbers, odd numbers, nothing is required. Just all the formulas, wherever I mentioned the proofs, that you have to, the notes that you wrote, you have to submit. Okay?
Okay, sir.
With the date.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Just I'm.
1 second, sir. 1 second.
Okay. No, that's completed. Just think about 21. What can be done?
In the proof from second
Okay,
step
sir, you
to
can
third
manage it.
step, you wrote a plus b by a minus.
I divide this by this equal to this by this. That's what I have.
Okay. Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
in 21st question, we can't use that component dividend, sir.
I'll tell you how to use it. Cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos theta 1 plus theta 2. One fraction I'll send to that side. It will be cos theta 3 plus theta 4. Minus I can give it here or here. I'll write in denominator. Minus cos theta 3 minus theta 4. Okay. So what I have done is one fraction. They gave one something plus something equal to 0. One of the fraction I sent that side. Because that minus should come, I can put that in the numerator, denominator. I gave it in the denominator. Now I'm going to apply component of FD. Okay. If two fractions are equal, for the first fraction, numerator plus denominator. Cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus cos theta 1 plus theta 2. What's the time now?
12-1, sir.
12-1, sir.
Okay. We'll do it tomorrow. For exam, compound angles is there or not, I'll tell you tomorrow. But you can try even numbers up to 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.